looks like me with a pink nose. I come from a 9-dog litter, but they drowned our sisters. We're not a rare breed, short-haired oceanic speckled eared sport hound mix. I'm getting confused now. My belly feels funny.